So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan natin yung breaking nga po na pinasabog po ulit ni Snowbump kabola, ni Snowbadwa regarding kay James Yap kabola, and of course result din po ng atin pong mga quarterfinals. So hindi pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman po subscription kabola. So tinalo na nga po kabola ng Magnolia Hatchets itong TNT kabola. It was a very interesting win by Magnolia Hatchets. Yung dineliver nila, pinakita nila kabola, they are the deserving number 1 team after the elimination round, that they are the team to beat kabola. Tyler Bay was there, he was a monster kabola. Parang sinabi niya that he should be the best import awardee for this tournament kabola. So it was an amazing experience to watch them, and I think they are currently the team to beat kabola in this tournament. They are playing very well kabola, they are being coached very well. So overall, I think wala naman talaga makakapag kontra pa kabola, that they are the team to beat. Now, dun muna tayo sa comments. Sabi po dito ni Rolly Montero, malabo yan, trade na yan, malakas si Nebra, di na kailangan ko muna maraming superstar. So kaya pala nila kunuha dati si Stanley Pringle, kaya pala nila pinapirma etong si Maverick si kabola. No, all of these elite teams, they want more superstar. Yun yung gusto nila kasi they know that it is a battle of talent level kabola, and the higher the talent level of the team, the better will be their chances of winning that championship. Ronald Berbusidad, salamat po ulit sir, pa-shoutout, sabi na naman po niya. And now, let's talk about this, of course. James Yap kabola, sabi dito sa rumor, which was posted before their game against San Miguel Beermen, siya po ay magre-retiro na. Nagpaplano na pong magretiro kabola itong si James Yap. Of course, we also saw that San Miguel Beermen already won, and also sila po ay nakapasok na rin po sa semis after defeating Rain or Shine kabola. And when James Yap was asked about his future, medyo tahimik pa po siya kabolas. Pero overall, dito nga po sa article po na ito ni Snowbadwa, again, we believe Snowbadwa, marami na po siya napatunayan in terms of his connection kabola. So kung ano po yung sinasabi niya, believing it is better than not believing it. So we believe, so yung story niya kasi ang medyo nakapagtaka lang dito din kabola is that James Yap, one of the reason kung bakit siya nag-iisip na magretiro kabola is that yun nga, hindi siya nabibigyan ng playing time. Pero in reality kasi the age, diba? And the reality naman talaga is he's slowing down. Hindi na po yan may tatago pa talaga, nag-slow down na po si James Yap. Pero he can still score, diba? The gracefulness of his shooting form is still there kabola. Kaya sobrang ganda pa rin niya pong panoorin. Pero overall though, hindi rin naman niya talaga close yung door, kasi sabi din ni Snowbadwa dito, gusto pa rin din talaga ni James Yap na bumalik po sa Magnolia. And of course, na ito pong si Blackwater daw at saka si Annex kabola, interesado na makuha itong si James Yap. And of course, knowing the name value of James Yap, hindi po nakakapagtaka na maging interesado yan ng ibang team. Ang nakakapagtaka lang talaga ngayon kung bakit hindi po interesado ang Purpose o Magnolia Hatchets basically na siya po ay pabalakin sa kanilang team. Kahit pa ito ay basically top 3 guy, top 3 face ng kanilang franchise, di ba? Pero ayaw nilang pabalakin sa Magnolia. Up to this point, that is one of the biggest unanswered question kabola sa history po ng PBA. Pero now, let me give you the top 3 teams that should try then to trade for him. Diba? The third one, of course, will be a Blackwater Elite. If they really want, sabi kasi nung owner nila, diba? When they took over po, si Coach Jeff Creaso, magsiseryoso na sila. So, trading for James Yap in a fair trade, kabola, will provide those eyeballs na kung magsiseryoso sila, di makakatulong pa in marketing their product. Number 2, Converge. Converge is a very young team. Getting James Yap will have a lot of advantages, diba? It will improve a lot of their team. They will have a good mentor for their young players, kabola. So yan yung mga advantages if they want to trade for James Yap, kabola. And of course, the story here is simple, diba? In the reality kasi, James Yap is not really a rotation player anymore. So if they can then give him 15 to 20 minutes every go around or every game kabola, that will also help them lose games, and they want to lose games kasi nga they want to tank for that number 1 pick so that it will be much easier for them to get Baltasar. Number 1 natin will be Magnolia Hatchets kabola. Magnolia Hatchets, this is more than basketball, kabola. In our reality, diba? In a lot of the heart of fans, especially of the Pure Food franchise, kabola, nanood, nakaukit po ang isang James Yap. So, parang, kumbaga, disservice para sa akin lang kung hindi po siya kukunin ng Pure Foods, kung available siya kabola to be signed, at pagreturuhan po sa Pure Foods, diba? No matter what's the reason, sa akin lang, diba? Unless may pinatay siya doon, diba? Or what, diba? Ganong katindi, kung makrimen na yung level, diba? Kung hindi naman krimen yung level, I think, let the guy retire. There po. Let the guy retire there. Kung makabola sa palagay mo, saan dapat po, or sinong team ang dapat makipag-trade po to get James Yap, comment lang po sa baba.